We will revise the following function in this Excel sheet. For today's date, we can use the formula equal today. And here we go, this is the date. And here, how do you get the time? Now we can use now to get the time. You can use this icon to change the format to a format that you want. For example, you can change it to 24-hour time like this, or you can use a 1:30 and 55 PM format like this.